Do not feel lonely, the entire universe is inside you.
You are not a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean, in a drop. Stop acting so small. You are the universe in ecstatic motion.
Don't be satisfied with stories, how things have gone with others. Unfold your myth. Why do you stay in prison, when the door is so wide open? Your depression is connected to your insolence and refusal to praise. Yesterday I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I am changing myself. Everything that is made beautiful and fair and lovely is made for the eye of one who sees. Ignore those that make you fearful and sad, that degrade you back towards disease and death. There is a candle in your heart, ready to be kindled. There is a void in your soul, ready to be filled. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.